In this episode, we design, fabricate, and install this awesome aluminum CNC plasma cut privacy fence down here at Virginia Tech. He went here. Go Hokies.
My dad works here.
I dropped out of college. So you've seen us cover some of this. These are privacy screens for a generator out at a local university. And these are the panels that will be bolted together next to each other. But the cool part about what's gonna happen next is this 1/2x1 aluminum tubing is gonna get woven in between these slats. So it'll go above one, below one, above one, below one. And weave and create this cool like pattern, which we are doing to emulate some of the privacy fencing that they already have up there. So we're looking to recreate that. So all that's left really to do on these is that weave, and then we weld this tube to the slats in certain areas. And then it's off to the powder coater to get powder coated statuary bronze, and then we get to install it and high five and dance around. But I'll see you guys in just a second once we figure out how we're gonna do that weave, and we'll bring you guys along for the ride. So let's do some weaving. Underwater basket weaving.
I was about to say that underwater basket weaving degree is really handy.
Yeah, I might as well have one. My dad literally was a cane chair weaving expert.
Wow.
That's how much downtime he had in the Navy in the 80s. So he was a parachute rigger and he could weave cane chairs. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, so that's an update. See you in a second.
I think that should be good. I'll have to clean up that corner a little bit. Might get a file or something just to get into that corner.
Jumping in with an update, Tyler's back. He's worked out a deal with his school to where he can work here for 3 days a week. Because it turns out being a lift arc can be an education. But if it doesn't make sense that Tyler is with us again, because we didn't explain it at the time, he's back. He was a crucial asset to us this summer, and we are lucky to be able to retain him this fall. So, yep, editing Walker out.
But so far, what it's going to do is once it gets under here, it will slide in just like that, and it'll be all the way up here. So you're gonna have a little bit of stuff sticking up, which is fine, because if we want it to look like the original that was built, then that's what's gonna need to happen.
That's what the original looks like?
Yeah, that's what the original looks like. It has a piece that comes up higher just from where you notch it. But I will double check the spike just to make sure, just see before we start going straight. I was able to slide it in there and twist it myself with that notch. I did have to trim it a 1/16, just barely, with, I mean, the cut wheel.
All right, so the next time, like, is it flooded up against each edge?
Pretty much. Yeah, come look at it. I mean, it's close. It's not, obviously, it's not perfectly flush, but.
I mean, yeah, it's gonna be impossible, but the closer the better. That's pretty good, yeah.
That there, this one's all the way up against it.
Yeah, that looks great. Yeah,
So,
great job.
I was able to twist it myself as well.
Because it's not going against that top.
Yeah.
So
And
Walker had a good idea in the first place.
That fixed that issue.
So Walker's a genius.
Oh yeah, that looks great. It fixed all the problems. You know, if I had just looked at that in the first place.
It's all right. We wouldn't have spent a whole morning fighting.
Sweet, good job.
Next thing, I just gotta go and mark. I'm gonna go and mark all of them first to line them up like we did this one, and then I'll just start knocking them out.
Great.
I'll mark these, cut them.
Okay. Yeah, it's your process, so do what you want.
All right.
Do you want me to just give you a drawing of that?
What?
Of center lines. Center lines.
I got it. It's like 14 and 5 eighths.
All right.
He's on it.
Good work.
Tyler crushed it. of these, I think they're 29 and 5/8. And so what I did is I went ahead and marked all of the ones that are the same size, and then I have 6 more that I haven't marked that are different sizes. But for the time for today, I feel like this will take up most of my time since it's already 2 o'clock. So I'll do that whenever I get a chance to. But our first one that we did was a little bit easier because the more we kind of messed up, the more we worked at it, which had more play in this after shoving shims in there 5 times pretty much. But now that I have a fresh one and I'm trying to crop it up a lot higher, it's a lot harder. So it may take me just a little bit longer, but it also may be just from where I'm at the end, there's more tension. Once I get to the middle, then I'll be able to do it a little easier maybe. So that's what I'm hoping for. But for right now, that's what we're working. We got all of our pieces notched. I don't know if you videoed the one that I've already installed in.
Yep.
So turns out that was our solution. And it actually makes it a lot easier to twist. So we don't need 3 different people. I can do it myself, which is, it's nice. So then we don't take Spike away from what he's doing, and then we don't take Tay away from what he's doing, and then possibly you. So yeah, that's where we're at now. So now I'm gonna knock out getting the shims put in and then getting those braces slid in. So that's what we're doing. All right.
What's the process? Dragon flyers, love it.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out something a little different.
I see. See? Look at the problem-solving muscles working. Look at you. Look at you go.
Yeah. Okay, so this.
Yeah, I would probably not do that. Is it jammed because of this? Probably. Well, here, do this and tap it at the same time. There you go. That looks great. It's all coming together.
Yeah. 5 hours later.
I always believed in you.
Done. Well, 4 done.
How many more you got?
I think 6. So.
How many more today?
Oh, as many as I can get done. I just got to drink, cool down a little bit.
Yep.
It is 3 o'clock, so I got to leave here about 4:15 today. So
Maybe 2 more or so.
2 or 3. I didn't mark any of the other ones though because they were all different sizes. So I got to take the one I already have set over there, figure out the center, and then mark them again. So what I could do is go through, mark all of them, and then get like 1 or 2 done, and then that'd probably be all I have for today. So
Hey,
yeah, that may be what I do.
that's pretty good progress.
Yeah. All right.
That's the end of a good week for you.
Yeah. So we knocked out 6 of the 10 panels, or yeah, 6 out of 10. Tay's got 4 more to do, I think, tomorrow. I'm not sure if he finished up the
He
awning
did.
or not. Okay, so sweet. So he'll be able to knock that out tomorrow and then start welding them all. There's enough tension in the panels that they shouldn't move at all. And if they do, then it's the slightest bit of movement. Like, even though it's leaning like this, I don't think the braces, I don't think they're gonna move down, but if they do, there's a line that you can just hit it back to, and it's super simple. Because I mean, there's a lot of tension on this. I mean,
Yeah.
I can't move this at all without a hammer. So that should be good and ready for him to weld tomorrow. So
There you go.
that's where I got today. I got all the other panels over there marked and lined up for Tay to just put them on the table, do the exact same thing I was doing, just put the shims in there, sand them up, and then go from there. So I left all the tools out for him, everything that he'll need, and he should be good to go.
Crushing it.
Yep. I will see you guys next week.
So these guys are done. I welded up the spine and everything. Happy with how they came out. They look a little weird, but that's just because of the sanding marks and whatnot. That'll all go away with a light blasting and powder coating. So we have ordered the bronze powder. We're gonna take these over to CNC Fab to get powder coated. And then after that, we'll go out to Blacksburg and install them at a university. They both fit on the Isuzu too.
They came out nice.
They sure did. Came out great.
How did Tyler do?
Tyler did great. He stuck at it. It was outside of his wheelhouse, but I'd rather have someone do that than something that they're comfortable with and they settle in a groove. You know, we did a lot of aluminum this week. It was good to throw him into that because I know he'd been wanting to do more aluminum. He didn't do a ton of the welding, but that just kind of was a timing thing, and the awning needed to be done and have no mistakes, so I kind of had to take the reins on it. Not saying he would have made a mistake, but he didn't get his hands on a torch this time, and that's okay. Tyler did great. This was some complicated problem solving, and he stepped to the occasion, and he's a good kid.
Yeah, you're probably stoked to not have so much aluminum coming up.
Aluminum's good.
Oh yeah?
I like aluminum.
Okay.
The Fronius sucks, but aluminum's great.
Yeah.
Okay, bye. See you soon.
See ya.
All right, here we are. We're here. Virginia Tech, home of the Hokies. Go Hokies. Blacksburg, Virginia. We are here to install those beautiful powder-coated aluminum screens that at this point we've all had something to do with. And excited to get these ones in. Had a little bit of a failure to launch this morning. My truck didn't want to start until I hit the starter with a hammer.
Classic.
True story. Yeah, that's true. So we're running a little bit late, but time's all made up and reality is a figment of our imagination. So what could go wrong? We're supposed to be turning right into here. There's Dan.
Dan the man.
The thrillers.
Truck didn't start, and then it did start, so now we're here.
Hey,
Hey.
You think it's gonna start again?
Yeah, I'd already
Let's
turned it
never
off once at
turn it
Home
off.
Depot and it turned back on. Yeah.
Hey-o.
I hit the starter with a hammer. Would you believe that trick still works?
That still fucking works.
Yeah,
in a
that's
truck.
what I'm saying.
You like got a hammer and hit the fucking.
Yeah,
starter.
I was out of
Fucking
options.
work.
I was like, let's try it. And
Let's do it.
yeah.
So they want us to use that loading dock there. That's
Where the dumpster is?
That's the dumpster in it. Yes.
Okay.
I don't.
And where are the panels going?
They're going over there. So I think we could do is pull in here
Okay.
and then carry the panels in. Do that the whole.
Uh-huh.
Then park the truck over there.
Okay.
I think that's the move.
Great.
And if somebody tries to leave, we can just kill them.
Well, there's 5 of us.
We still have the
Well,
hammer.
there's people in there?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. You guys still have the hammer. Yeah, we're good. All right, let's do this thing.
All right.
I like Dan already.
That's Dan. Dan's great.
Dan's awesome. Dan is our liaison, our spiritual guide.
I should warn him I'm recording.
Yeah. Okay, here we are, man. It went good. We did not get one break with the breeze or the clouds. We were in the sun for 3 hours, but what a productive 3 hours it was. We leveled each post. We used the panels as spacers to space the posts out. Posts are in the concrete with 4 inches of half-inch concrete anchors, and everything's bolted together with stainless fasteners. Powder coated by CNC fabricators, plasma cut and welded by Lift Arc Studios, and all facilitated by Mr. Dan Crowder out here at Virginia Tech. So nice group effort, really great end result. Super proud of it. And I think we hit the marks on it, whichever way you look at it. So another job well done, another happy customer. Let's get out of here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe or something, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Where are we going now?
Oh, we're going to the meat market. It's time for the meat market.
Perfect.